stand there and give you the whole thing in a minute, 5 minutes, but that explains the uses in the course module of the subjects. So not just science, technology, engineering, maths, STEM subjects, but it'll go into 3D home economics for 3D molds, for doing chocolate or pastry molds or whatever. History for doing sort of archaeological structures, and you know, it's back to the STEM subjects. You can be printing things like organs, hearts, like a cross section through, so they can start to explore the inners of the heart and other organs. Engineering-wise,
how does it work? What does it feed off? What kind of design does it accept or print off?
So whatever your design software is, whether it's AutoCAD or Tinkercad or Google SketchUp, they all save in a format called STL. So it's filename.stl. If you export the STL, you then drag and drop. So you drag and drop your STL file into here. Just unload this one, bring in a new one. So the STL file is coming in, and there it is. I'm just going to hit place, and then I'm just going to go to print. Bang, done. That's all you need to do. Very, very simple, easy to use, user-friendly software. It sends the job. And then what happens then is the platform heats up to 100 degrees C. The extruder nozzle, which is squirting out the molten plastic, is at 260 degrees C. And so then you've just got a drive gear in the print head that's dragging in this filament here and laying down a 2D image, layer upon layer upon layer, and it just builds up, and then you end up with your 3D part, which at the moment it's printing this bearing and free spinning. All you have to do is just separate the support material off, which is very easy to do if you use our material, and then you have a working components like this.
So that's one print.
That's just one single print that's come off the bed. All you need to do, as I say, is just remove the support material that it prints on, and then you'll have a bit of support material in here. You just pull it off. If it becomes a bit difficult to do with your fingers, we provide a toolkit, so you get side cutters, tweezers, scalpel blade to help you there. So pretty much all round. You get a free roll of filament as well, worth $60.
How much is the entry? Is this a complete printer, as we said?
Yeah, so this printer's
comes open like that.
That's right. So this printer is 2,145, including GST at the moment, and that's the show special for another 2 weeks. You get a free mini, which is the printer in the background there.
Okay.
So, and that printer alone is worth $1,200 by itself. So it's a very good deal for the next 2 weeks until the 15th of June.
Take that one. And I teach at the Trades College.
Where are you based?
Gold Coast, Robina.
Okay, I'm in Brisbane, so I'm a local.
So we deal with apprentices, really school-based apprentices, and that's our students. So what are the applications for trades off the top of your head? I can see you can print
for
parts.
What kind of trades? Sort of building?
All sorts of trades.
Construction.
They do year 11 with us, and they go out and do different trade training. So
I'd say for the trade industry, replacement parts is a very good use. I think the top use across all areas is going to be for prototyping. So if you want to try something out, you're not quite sure if it works yet, just print yourself a prototype, see if it fits. So this bearing is the larger one compared with this one. Maybe you want this one because this one turned out to be too big. And these are cheap, you know, this costs about 80 cents to make. This one's probably about $1.20. And typically the print time took about an hour for those. So yeah, you can be printing fan belts as well. So this is a stretchy silicon. Maybe something's broken in the field and you need to get a quick turnaround to fix it, so you just take your 3D printer along. A couple of hours later you'll have a new part, as opposed to waiting for a week or two for someone to deliver a specialised expensive part from overseas. So they're very good to have in remote locations like mines or submarines, or just generally being out in the field and need something quickly. Relatively speaking, a couple of hours is a lot quicker than waiting a week or two.